guys are as enthusiastic as I am. Woo! Where it's hot. How's this? You're gonna go. Oh, hey, we got the ship.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Sweet. You want to get in there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go there. Uh-oh.
Sarah! Ooh, watch those woods. Sarah! Girl! I would take that sweatshirt off. Sarah! We're gonna go to the ship, come on! Gordy! I'm heading up there! Hey Dylan, you wanna cover me?
Where?
I'm going for the ship. Let's cover this side.
I'm actually getting ready to go for a trip myself. We can go together. You want to go together?
Yes.
We can go together. Come on.
Alright, Sarah behind us.
Alright,
And go!
I'm
Okay.
coming.
Really?
Tell me you're watching. I'm not. I can be outside now. They're like, I'm
Watch out. Watch out.
I think I'm going to try the woods, actually. Or not. Or we can do the same thing over again. Just not stand in the middle of the open like idiots. Right. I'm off my game hard today. So you don't get shot. Get close to the wall. So there's less of you sticking out.
Okay.
We'll go back into the ship. Okay, run again. Alright, run that side again as before. There's Gordy. Just saying you found her again.
Hardest thing to do.
Stay low. Stay real low. Woo! They know where I am. Oh, Okay, yeah, did it. Awesome.
Wow, that sounded painful.
Lift.
You're good.
Thank you.
No, you're out, Jack. Get out of here.
Really?
No.
I might fight you on that one. I'm cutting them up. This is my part of the house. Yeah, it is.
I got shot in the ear on my way up the stairs.
That'll happen. There's a lot of ricochets going around.
Oh, yeah, I think it was a Rico. He didn't really hurt. 10 seconds. 9.